Hello, I'm Craig. For my speech, my 3-minute speech, I'm going to talk about a memorable moment. And my memorable moment is the response to a question. The question I'd like for you to think about is this: when was the last time you did something for the first time? Let me say that one again. When was the last time that you did something for the first time? For myself and my family, we had never been whitewater rafting before. We had never been to the Smoky Mountains. So that's what we decided to do. Now, whenever you do something for the first time, you're not always 100% certain everything is going to go flawlessly and everything will be perfect. And most of the time, it's not. At the same time, it also allows you to create some memorable moments and memorable experiences. So my one question, when was the last time you did something for the first time, had this response. Here is our family going whitewater rafting in the Smoky Mountains. And I think you can see some of the images of those different feelings in this picture. The first two on the left, they are nervously excited, it looks like to me. Looking at the water, not 100% sure if it's gonna dip or it's gonna overturn the boat. And so they have kind of that nervous smile on their face. You got a couple on the other side of the boat who are just posing for the camera. They're smiling, they're not worried about anything in the water. They're just making sure to take advantage of that photo opportunity. Then in the back, you have some joker who isn't really worried about either one of those things. And he is just king of the world. And at the same time, I think the one thing that you can see from all five of the faces are smiles. There are opportunities that they took advantage of, that we took advantage of, to have that memorable moment. And so as we look ahead, as we look at 2022, I'll leave you with this question, which was the question that I started with. When was the last time you did something for the first time? I encourage you to get out and make those memorable moments as soon as you can. Thanks.